Welcome to English Listening. Today I will tell you a story about going to a pharmacy. Do not worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. This lesson will help you learn useful English for real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the story. Let's begin.
Excuse me, young man. Could you please help me for a moment? I am trying to find my medicine, but I feel a little lost here.
Of course, I can help you. Please tell me what kind of medicine you are looking for, and I will try to find it with you.
It is something for my blood pressure. My doctor told me to take it every day, but I cannot remember the exact name.
That is completely fine. We can ask the pharmacist together and describe your situation. Excuse me, could you help us find medicine for high blood pressure?
Yes, of course. I will show you a few safe and commonly used options.
Thank you very much. I always feel confused when I come to places like this.
There is no problem at all. I will stay here and help you until we find the right one. Hello, I need some help. I have had a strong headache since yesterday evening, and it is not getting better.
I understand. Let me ask you a few questions so I can recommend the right medicine for you. Can you describe your headache? Is it sharp, constant, or does it come and go?
It feels constant, and sometimes it gets stronger when I look at my phone or computer.
That sounds like it could be caused by stress or too much screen time. Have you been resting enough?
Not really. I have been working a lot and sleeping very late.
That can definitely make headaches worse. Do you have any other symptoms, like fever, nausea, or dizziness?
No fever, but I do feel a bit tired and weak.
In that case, I would not recommend strong medicine right away. It is better to start with something mild and see how your body reacts.
That makes sense. I do not want to take anything too strong if it is not necessary.
Exactly. Also, you should drink more water and take short breaks from screens during the day.
Yes, I think I really need that. I have been ignoring my health lately.
It happens to many people. Health often becomes a priority only when something starts to hurt.
That is true. What would you recommend for me right now?
I recommend this medicine. It is gentle, effective, and suitable for stress-related headaches.
How often should I take it?
You can take it every 6 to 8 hours, but do not exceed the recommended dose on the package.
Understood. And if it does not help?
If the pain continues for several days, you should see a doctor for a proper checkup.
Thank you. I appreciate your help and your explanation.
You are welcome. Take care of yourself and try to get some rest today.
I will. Thank you again.
The line is quite long today. I did not expect to wait this much just to buy medicine.
Yes, evenings are always busy. People usually come here after work.
That makes sense. I already feel tired, and my headache is getting worse while I am standing here.
You do not look very well. Maybe you should sit down for a moment.
Yes, I think you are right. I feel a bit dizzy now.
Let me call the pharmacist. Please do not move too much. Excuse me. Could you come here for a moment? He is not feeling well.
I see. Please sit down and try to relax. Take a deep breath and stay calm.
Thank you. I think I pushed myself too hard today.
It happens. You may be dehydrated or exhausted. Have you had any water today?
Not much, to be honest. I was busy the whole day.
That explains a lot. You should drink water and avoid standing for too long right now.
Do you feel a little better now?
Yes, a bit better. Thank you for helping me.
I will bring you some water. Please stay seated and do not rush.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Here is some water. Please drink slowly and try to relax. Do not stand up too quickly.
Thank you. I already feel a little better than before, but I am still a bit weak.
That is normal. Your body is reacting to stress and probably dehydration.
You should take a short break before continuing. There is no need to rush.
Yes, I think I really pushed myself too hard today without noticing.
Many people ignore early signs like headache and fatigue. Then the body forces you to stop.
That sounds exactly like what happened to me today.
You should sit for a few minutes, drink water, and breathe slowly.
I will do that. Thank you for helping me.
Also, avoid using your phone for a while. Your eyes and brain need rest.
That might be difficult, but I understand why it is important.
After you feel stable, you can take mild medicine, but rest is the most important part.
I appreciate your advice. I will take better care of myself.
You look better now. Your color is coming back.
Yes, I feel more stable now. Thank you both for helping me.
You are welcome. Take your time before you continue.
I feel much better now. I think I am ready to pay for the medicine.
That is good to hear. Please come to the counter when you are ready.
Yes, I would like to pay by card. It is more convenient for me.
Of course. Please insert your card into the terminal and follow the instructions on the screen.
I have inserted the card. Now I am entering my PIN code.
Take your time. There is no rush.
That is strange. It says the payment was declined. I do not understand why.
Sometimes this happens due to temporary issues with the bank or connection. Please try again.
I will try one more time, but I am getting the same message again.
Do you have another card or maybe cash with you?
I have another card, but I am not sure if it will work either.
Please try it. Sometimes a different card solves the problem immediately.
All right, I will try the second card now.
Let me know if it works this time.
Yes, it worked. The payment is approved now.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. That was a bit stressful for a moment.
It happens quite often. The important thing is that everything worked in the end.
Yes, and I feel much better now too. Finally, everything is done. I feel much better now compared to earlier.
I am glad to hear that. Please take care of yourself and do not forget to rest today.
I will definitely follow your advice. Today was a good lesson for me.
Sometimes the body gives us signals that we should not ignore.
Yes, I understand that now. Thank you again for your help and patience.
You are always welcome. Have a good day and stay healthy.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me. Wait a second. I think I forgot something.
What did you forget?
I cannot find my card. I think I left it here on the counter.
Let me check. Yes, you are right. You left it near the terminal.
Thank you. I was already worried that I lost it.
It is always good to double check before leaving.
I will be more careful next time.
That is a good habit to build.
Thank you again. Now I am really leaving.
Take care.
Finally, I am outside. The fresh air feels much better after being inside for so long.
Young man, is that you? Thank you again for helping me earlier.
Oh, hello. I am glad to see you again. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thanks to you and the pharmacist. I feel much more confident now.
That is good to hear. I also learned something today about taking care of my health.
Yes, we often forget about our health until something goes wrong.
That is true. I had a bad headache today because I did not rest enough.
You should take it seriously. Health is the most important thing we have.
I understand that now. I will try to change my habits.
That is a wise decision. Small changes can make a big difference over time.
Thank you, and please take care of yourself too.
I will. It was very nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too. Have a good day.
You too. Stay healthy.
Hey, are you free right now? I want to tell you what happened to me today.
Yes, I am free. You sound a bit tired. What happened?
I went to the pharmacy because I had a really bad headache since yesterday.
That sounds serious. Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I feel better now, but earlier it was quite difficult. I even felt dizzy while waiting in line.
That does not sound good. Did someone help you?
Yes, a pharmacist and another customer helped me sit down and relax. They were very kind.
That is good. It is always important to have people around in such situations.
Exactly. They told me that I was probably dehydrated and stressed.
That makes sense. You have been working too much lately.
Yes, I have not been sleeping well, and I spend too much time on my phone and laptop.
You really need to slow down and take care of your health.
I agree. Today was a wake-up call for me.
Did you buy the medicine at least?
Yes, I did, but I also had a problem with my card while paying.
Of course, everything happened at once.
Exactly, but in the end, everything worked out fine.
I am glad you are okay now.
Thanks. I think I will go home and get some rest.
That is the best thing you can do right now.
Yes, I will talk to you later.
Take care.
You too. Hello, this is Alex. I was at the pharmacy earlier today.
Hello, Alex. Yes, I remember you. How are you feeling now?
I feel better than before, but I am still a bit tired and weak.
That is normal. Your body needs time to recover after stress and dehydration.
I took the medicine as you recommended. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, you should drink enough water, get some rest, and avoid screens for a few hours.
I understand. I have been using my phone too much lately.
That can make headaches worse. Your eyes and brain need a break.
How long should I rest today?
Try to rest for the rest of the evening and sleep earlier than usual.
And what about tomorrow? Can I go back to work?
If you feel better, you can work, but do not overload yourself. Take regular breaks.
That sounds reasonable. I think I need to change my routine.
Yes, small changes can improve your health significantly over time.
Thank you for checking on me and giving advice. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. It is important to take care of your health.
I will follow your advice.
Good. Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.